forest is cool because it's symmetrical around the Earth. So it's from about 25 degrees north to 50 degrees north in the northern hemisphere. And then in the southern hemisphere, it's about the same, 20 degrees south to 50 degrees south. So that includes parts of eastern US and parts of Europe, as well as the eastern part of Australia and parts of southern South America.
It's springtime. The average weather is 60 degrees. I'm really loving the weather, but it's really giving me allergies.
In the temperate deciduous forest, the average temperature in the summer is about 70 degrees. Sometimes it can get to over 100 though. One of those days is today. It's very hot. On days like this, I'd rather be in the tundra in Russia.
Tegan, what are you doing?
The leaves are changing. It's so pretty, dude. This is why I love fall.
Yo, we out here in Philly and it's really cold. It's not like this in Miami.
Bears have long claws to help them climb up trees in the winter. If I was a black bear, I'd make sure I have my warm, heavy coat on, filled with layers before I go.
Hi, Vinny. The red fox has an increase of fur around its lower leg area to help deal with the snow and harsh winter weather. They also can deal with the lack of vegetation, and they eat small predators during the winter time.
The temperate deciduous forest offers varying temperatures and seasons. Maple trees use the warmer temperatures to accumulate maple. During the winter season and when it is below freezing at night, the maple starts to flow. Maple trees thrive by having leaves rather than pine needles, and as the seasons change, the leaves adapt to climate, like growing, flourishing, changing colors, and falling.
Oak trees typically start developing acorns in spring and drop their acorns in early fall.
Although the exact timing
Depends on the specific species. Acorns provide a food source for multiple species.
And while oak trees are helpful in the food chain,
They also produce tannic acid, which is toxic to cattle.
Some human impacts that occur are an increase in burning of fossil fuels within the temperate deciduous forest. There's also an experience in climate change. It's rapidly increasing and decreasing. There's also an atmospheric change in the biome.